I'm videotaping you now. Now what? Look. Go get it, Abba. Look, Lior. Abba's got matana. He's taking off. Come on, Lior. Wait. Oh, Marcy.
Elmo.
It's Elmo. Is he on?
Are you on? No. You're not on.
He's gonna grab him if you don't hold him, honey. He's gonna squeeze his tummy.
Po. No. Po. There you go. Here. Look.
Come on.
Aquí.
Pick him up. Do it again. You stand him up. It did better the second time I did it. Wait. Stand him up, Lily. Touch his belly. Squeeze his belly.
Po.
Push his tummy. He's coming at you, Lily.
He's crazy.
Lay him down, Lily. Remember, he's not just yours, Lily. He's yours too. You both get to enjoy him. Stand him up. Lily, quit taking it from him. I told you it's not just yours, it's yours too. Now, Lily, cut it out. If he wants to touch him and grab him, let him.
No, that's his fault.
It's better if you stand him up to begin with. Like his voice box doesn't work. There you go. He was standing up, so I kept banging his head on the ground.
It's getting stuck. Well,
stomach, please. He wants you to push his stomach. He's on his stomach doing that. Oh boy. He wants you to pull the string. You're not letting him fall on his back, Lily. I'm on a roll. He keeps trying to roll over. Watch out, Lily. You gotta let him have room to fall back. See? He likes to fall back.
Oh boy.
You're kicking him. Hello, Elmo. Elmo. Hello.
He's rolling around on the floor now. He's rolling towards him. He looks up at you. Oh yeah! She wants to hug him. Told you he's a machine.
Hey, לא בכוח, לא בכוח לי.
Lily, stand him up. I can hear him struggling. You want to see? No, you can't take it. No, Leo. Look, there's Lily, there's Elmo. Please don't touch it, honey. That's a toy. That's a toy. This is not a toy. No. It's a camera. Very expensive piece of equipment, little man. It's not a toy. It looks like we're going to have to put away the camera. When he does that, it's like she's patting him like, what's wrong? I knew she'd want to cuddle with him, and he's so hard. He's all machined. He's shaking his little feet. Look. He's mama between her legs.
No. Lily, no. Lily.
Stand him up. If he's moving and he stops laughing, then stand him up and push him again, and he'll laugh.
No, I think the thing he's programmed to try to stand up again.
Oh.
That should be different.
Okay, Leor. Enough with the play with Elmo.
ליאור, זה לא שלך.
He doesn't like drinking out of the other one for some reason. Stand him up, Lily, and then push it, or he's not going to talk. There you go.
לילי אותו. לילי אותו רגע.
You think maybe turning it off and back on again?
אלמו, די. הנה.
Don't touch it, honey.